The SINOCHIP Steam Mop SC-2000 is designed with a long 23-foot power cord and a generous 13-ounce water tank, allowing for extensive cleaning sessions without frequent interruptions. This steam mop operates quietly at a sound level of 45 decibels, making it a great choice for households with pets or for use in bedrooms. Utilizing advanced dual boiler technology, it can reach high temperatures quickly, ensuring effective removal of tough stains and grease. The SINOCHIP Steam Mop offers versatile cleaning capabilities, including floor, tile, and glass cleaning, as well as ironing clothes and curtains, making it a multifunctional household tool. Safety features include an automatic shut-off function when the water tank is empty, and the ability to maintain the device by using cleaning vinegar to prevent scale buildup. With a 12-month warranty and round-the-clock support, SINOCHIP ensures customer satisfaction and peace of mind.